Hi, I'm here again. This is Abby Badong, and I'm promoting to you again another products or items. I'm promoting to you this Mr. Squirrel luncheon meat that you can buy on TikTok. You can click the link below this video. You know, I've already tasted this Mr. Squirrel luncheon meat. It's not so salty unlike other luncheon meat that you can buy on department stores, which are so salty, but this is not so salty. It's so delicious, and you can also taste the meat on it. You can just fry it, and if you want you can put it on a bread with mayonnaise, and also you can eat it with rice. And also you can buy this I think buy one take one, or the other promoting this as buy one take three or buy two take five. You can buy this on TikTok, but if you want you can just click the link below this video if you want to buy this product. And also I am promoting this wireless microphone with noise cancelling benefits. You can use it if you are a content creator, and you can use it when you are teaching something on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, or on your TikTok, or on Facebook. You can also use this when you want to entertain your followers on Facebook, TikTok, or on YouTube. If you want to sing for them, you can also use this a wireless microphone with noise cancelling benefits. So you can also buy this on TikTok and also on Amazon.com. I've already provided the link below this video, so that if you want to buy this you can just click the link on this video. So thank you so much for watching again. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye for now.